How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to learn how to mew for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Mewing is very easy to do once you get used to it, but to get used to it can get a little bit tricky. So to mew, the technique is super easy. You just take your tongue and you touch the top or the roof of your mouth like this. That's all you do. You hold it there. You close your mouth. So like this. Close your mouth and hold it. Here's the issue. A lot of people, when they first start off doing this, they'll try to hold that for 12 hours straight. When you first start to mew, when I learned how to do it, I would mew 1 hour a day for the first week. The second week, I would do 2 hours. The third week, 3 hours. After a month, I would be doing 4 hours a day. Starting the second month, I went to, I think, 10 hours a day. So for that whole second month, I would do 10 hours a day. And then the third month, I finally just did it all day long. If you try to do it for the all day long when you first start, it can be extremely difficult because your jaw's not used to the mewing. And that's when most people stop to mew, is because they do it for a couple of days, 2, 3, 4 days. Their jaw really hurts, and then they don't do it anymore. I mewed for about, it got so easy that I did it, I think, for 2 years, and I wasn't even like, after a while, you don't think about it. Your tongue is just naturally on the roof of your mouth, and you don't even think about it. And it makes your jawline like 10 times better, you guys. It does work. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.